how you can reopen the Instagram photos that have already been viewed. So what I'm referring here to are the photos that have been sent to you in a vanish mode. So what vanish mode is basically a temporary message that will be deleted right after you view it. So if your friend sends you a message in a vanish mode or a photo, you can only view it once and it will be disappeared forever. So let's see how you can keep looking at the photo once you've viewed it. First, open your Instagram. I've asked a friend of mine to send a message. So if you can see here, the blue circle here, this means they've sent me a message in vanish mode. So I'm going to open this message and view the photo. And the only way that I can view it later is just take a screenshot. This is the best way to view the photo after you've already seen it, because if I go back, all of the photos will be vanished and there is nothing left. So taking a screenshot is the best option to keep seeing the photo in the future once you've viewed it. Thank you for watching.